Start?
Okay.
Yeah, so for having a Note 9, you'll be getting a Legoland Redemption, which is an annual free pass to Legoland.
Okay.
And besides that one, you'll be having also a WAVO Redemption, which is a 3-month access to WAVO for Note 9, where you can watch movies, series, those kind of stuff. Here are the redemption method. All of this one will be available in apparel in the Samsung members. Also, you have apparel group, so you have a 25 to 40% discount on 700 stores of apparel group, which includes Levi's, Calvin Klein, Aeropostale,
Right.
Birkenstock, all
Okay.
of this. And you'll be also have a Marriott Hotel discounts for 20% here in Middle East and Africa.
Okay.
And also Clear Trip gives you a also offer. So it includes also some good offers on hotel bookings and flights,
Nice.
all those things. And as well, the Galaxy Entertainment is also still there. So you'll be getting all those things from the S9 to Note 9 as well.
Okay.
And that's it.
That's it. That's good. Thank you.
Thank you.